when a user generates an output from a report, that output is stored in the database under that username for this report in this object. This is very important. The report output is also stored in the database. So we don't have files. It's somewhere in the database. The report output is stored there. Once you run the report, once you design the report, you can decide how long you want to store that output of the database, the snapshot of that output, how long you want to store it. And you could decide on a number of days. For example, when we go here and we do edit, it tells you one of the things it says days to keep output. Here 3 days, you can say as many days as you want to. For example, you could keep a report output for 1 year. You can keep it for 1 day. You can keep it for 0 days, means after you finish, that's it, immediately, I don't want it anymore. You can keep it, and automatically the system will purge all those expired report outputs. Why do you want to do that? Because, for example, if you're following a situation, how it was last week, how it is this week, how it is 3 weeks back, how it is 4 weeks back, and you wanna run that report and you wanna keep the snapshot, you wanna see what are the changes. It's very nice to keep that report output long time, and you compare the report outputs, because the data changes, but what was the situation, the snapshot of the database at that moment, it was like this. And that's a very nice tool we use in Prosper to run a report. You don't have to worry about how many days you want to keep. For example, some reports you don't need to keep them. You keep them for 1 day and that's it. Some reports you want to keep them for 1 year, because you want to always compare how was the situation 1 year ago with this situation right now. This is an optional feature. You can use it or you don't have to use it. It's a very nice way of keeping track of the report output. Note that we're trying by this to help you have a less paper office.